All right. So good evening, everyone. Yeah, let us start the session. Online team, can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? Let me test. Aisha, thank you for confirming. Eighteenth. Today is major session, sir. Simple linear regression. A kind of first machine learning algorithm. 18th. Yeah. Raise your hand. How many of you missed out? What happened? I'm sorry. Raise your hand. How many of you missed out on Saturday session? Saturday session. Anyone missed? It's okay. You can raise. It's okay. No worries. I will help you with the link. Today I will help you with the Google Classroom link. Please, you need to walk through actually, right? Online team, please raise. Yes. Hmm. Saturday session is a bit important, but Saturday session is there is no dependency for today topic. You can first of all avoid kind of feeling I'm missing on Saturday. Can I understand today? Today you can understand, but day after tomorrow you cannot understand. Are you getting? Yeah, I need to be very clear, right? There is no dependency for today's session. Don't worry, sir. Today I can help you with recorded session of Saturday. You guys need to walk through that one. Thank you. Let's move on. One minute, kindly spare some time. I would like to say this is a running topic. Can I close this? Hmm? R value. Let me just try to hold that I can discuss later. Hmm. Let's start the discussion, sir. Machine learning first algorithm. Machine learning, what exactly? First algorithm, bit important. And it is a very easy. On an average in machine learning, we are going to discuss minimum 10 plus algorithms. How many algorithms? Each algorithm is a separate topic we created actually. If you understand today's session, then only you can understand remaining sessions actually. If anyone having any questions, do let me know today itself only. You should be clear regarding the today's session. Trust me, very easy. You can feel compared to Python pandas, you can feel machine learning is very easy actually. How to say? Are you clear? Yeah, good. Let us start. 1 minute. Let me keep my mobile on active mode. Yeah. Now, let me tell you, sir. So in a Python, we do have a hello world example. These are all what exactly? A kind of some hello world example. Hello world example. Can I say this is the hello world example in Python? A basic example actually. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. But in a NumPy, in a pandas, what is a hello world example? Creating either series or what exactly? Data frame. And in a NumPy, what is a hello world example? Talk with me, sir. Creating an array actually. Good. Now in a machine learning, the hello world example is simple linear regression algorithm. The hello world example is what exactly? Simple linear regression algorithm. Algorithm name is called simple linear regression. Algorithm name is called as what exactly? We do have a different algorithms. Something like in a Python, how many data structures would you have? 4. Tell me what are those 4? List, tuple, set, dictionary. My heart is beating actually. Why? Because if you don't know that 4 data structures, but we are discussing about what exactly? Machine learning. Seriously. Okay, good. Like in Python, how data structures topic would you have? In machine learning, would you have a topic names? One of the topic name is called as a simple linear regression. What is the topic name? Yeah, I would like to say this is the hello example in a machine learning. Let me cover step by step actually. But before covering, I just wanted to hear from you. Can somebody talk with me? In a machine learning, would you have a steps, man? In machine learning, would you have what exactly? Steps actually. What is the step number 1? Sir, talk. Everyone should talk actually. Importing library. Second one, very good. Loading the data set. Third one, data preparation. Fourth one, splitting the data set. Splitting what exactly? Data set. Fifth one, creating model creation, creating model, anything you can say. And the sixth one, model. Tell me, sir. Next one. Seventh one, prediction. Seventh one is what exactly? These are all exactly steps. Get ready. Today we are going to do. Read one more time. Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training, prediction. During interview, the very common question is, being a data scientist, what is your roles and responsibilities? Means you need to tell this one on daily base. What I used to do, I used to importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data, the blah blah. These are all points you should do, you should do by hands on actually. Are you clear or not? These steps also called as a roles and responsibilities. What is that one? Roles and responsibilities. Good. We'll see today. Now let me open the material. Prior to this one, there is a topic name is called as R value. You can ignore. I know which topic at what time I need to cover actually. Please focus on the current session. Yeah. First of all, the first definition is, talk with me. Data science, machine learning. What is this one, sir? Simple linear regression. This is one of the algorithm in a machine learning. This is what exactly? One of the algorithm actually. Good. I will tell you. First of all, let us make you to understand what do you mean by regression. What do you mean by what exactly? Regression. In math, we already discussed it actually, but don't worry. I would like to recall one more time. What do you mean by regression? Let me explain in your normal terminology so that you can easy to understand. Good. I would like to take a data set. Let us just try to take a data set 1. I would like to say data set 1, data set 2. Data set what exactly? 2. Yeah, the first two data set is the well-known data set. Talk with me. Area. Next one is rice packs. Tell me, sir, what is the area? 1 acre, 10 rice packets. 2 acres, 20. 3 acres, 30. I would like to say, generally here, area and rice packet, both are name of the columns. Both are what exactly? Name of the columns. Name of the, come on, sir. Name of the columns. Good. One more point you need to understand. If area is increasing, what exactly happens, sir? If area is increasing, automatically rice packets will increase. Am I right or not? Rice packets, what exactly? Will increase. Can I say that one? 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30. Whenever you are trying to increasing area, automatically another one also impacting. What is that one? Rice packet. Are you getting or not? Good. Now tell me one more point. If area is decreasing, if area is what exactly? Decreasing. You talk with me, assuming that. In what dimension I'm talking, assuming that 3, 30, 2, 20, 1, 10 in a reverse way, sir. Now, can somebody talk with me? Rice packets? Very good. Rice packets, what exactly? Will decrease. You know what? If I mean to say that, conclusion is, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is area and rice packets having relation each other. Having what exactly, sir? Yeah, that point you need to understand. Having related, or else would like to say related each other. What exactly, sir? Related each other. This relation is called as a regression. This relation is called as what exactly? I mean to say that if one column is increasing, automatically second column also will increase. Best example, if our mother scold, we will get angry. We will get what exactly? Means if one variable is, if you are touching one variable, get ready. Other variable also will talk actually. Did you understand? This is called as a regression. This is called as what exactly? Regression. Let me explain one more example. Yeah, I would like to say experience. This is the salary. This is what exactly? You know, one point, salary, getting a salary depend upon what exactly? Experience. Assuming that 1 year of experience, let me talk 50K salary. 2 years of experience, 60K salary. 3 years of experience, tell me, 70K salary. Now if experience is increasing, automatically what happen? Yeah, can I say there is a one regression? What do you mean by regression? Experience and salary related each other. Can I say that one, sir? Are you getting? Good. Now read the definition. You can easy to understand. First of all, understand the topic actually. Easy. The topic is very easy. Online team, are you following? Is my voice is clear? Online team? Good. Thank you. Let's move on. Come on, come on. Regression analysis is used to explain the relation between what exactly? To, am I right or not? So that's what I explained just now. If you wanted to explain about relation between this area and rice packets, if you wanted to explain about relation between area and area and rice packets, you need to use a topic. The topic name is called as what exactly? Regression. By regression, you can explain how related each other. Either it is a strong relation, weak relation, no relation, something like that. Tim, are you getting? Yeah, good. Also called as a, it's a relationship in between dependent variable and what exactly? Independent variable, right? Instead of telling like a relation between two variables, you can also call as, I would like to say this is independent variable, this is what exactly? Dependent variable. By using regression, you can explain the relation between independent variable and dependent variable. I'm repeating again. By using regression, you can explain relationship between independent variable and what exactly? Dependent variable. Are you guys getting or not? Good. Now regression, sorry, explain, you know, it explain the relationship between between two variables. What exactly, sir? Two variable, also called as explain the relationship between, talk with me. Ah, dependent variable and independent variable. Anything we can say, sir. Dependent variable and what exactly? Independent variable. Very good. I hope you're getting actual independent variable. All right. Please observe. Understand the definition, please. This topic I need to start on Saturday itself, but I have some mercy. Few guys are absent actually. Let's move on. Yeah, sometimes regression also representing by using line. By using what exactly? Line actually. What do you mean by line? Hold on. Sir, assuming that, let us take this is my home, sir. This is what exactly? My home actually. This is my village. I would like to say, please focus, please. This is my village, sir. Village actually. Initially, first house started in this location. First house started in this location. Later on, one more house. One day I asked my father, do let me know how our village formed actually. Then my father started explaining these are all things. Day by day, what happened, the houses are getting increasing. Houses are getting what exactly? Increasing. The rural government noticed this one. Then what government done, though the houses are increasing, traveling is kind of difficult actually. Let us help them to construct a kind of one road actually. To construct what exactly? One kind of road. Can I say this is the line? Can I say or not, sir? This line is also called as a regression line. This line is also called as what exactly? Regression line. I will tell you. These are all things slowly by slowly I will tell. If two variables having a relationship, then we can draw a line in between two variables. This is a very, very important, sir. A line. A line actually. Good. What you need to understand, generally, we already know the regression definition. Generally, we already know the regression definition. This is the definition. Okay. So assuming that two variables are having relationship each other, then what we can do, we we can draw what we can draw, sir. We can draw a circle. Do you think circle actually? No, we can draw a line in between what exactly? Variable. Yeah, in between two variables. In between what exactly? Two variables actually. A simple man. If there are two variables related each other, then what we can draw, you can draw a line. You can draw what exactly? Line actually. Are you getting everyone? Good. Let's move on. The picture of linear regression is very simple. Let us say we have some points line will travel in between these data points, assuming that these are all kind of some dots actually, a kind of some rangoli also we can see. In Telugu Sankranti time lo mugglu estaru kada, exactly something like that. During Sankranti there are some rangoli actually. Then what we can do, you can draw a line. You can draw what exactly? Line. Team, this line is called as a linear regression line. This line is called as what exactly? By programmatically we are going to draw. Programmatically we are going to draw. Guys, are you getting your one? Good. We'll see. The goal of linear regression is to draw the best fitted line. The goal of linear regression is what exactly? To draw best fitted line. Read everyone that point. The goal of linear regression is to draw the best fitted line in between two variables. In between what exactly? Two variable. Best fitted line means that line which passes as close as possible to these 2 points. That point you can understand later. I wanted to show you one diagram. Hold on, just try to observe this one, sir. Come on, look at me. I would like to say this is x-axis. This is what exactly? X-axis. This is y-axis, sir. Talk with me. What is this one? X-axis. This is a y-axis. It is okay. Then what I've done, x-axis data we do have, y-axis data we do have, column number 1 data, column number 2 data. I just plotted the data. With what plot I used? Any idea? Very good. Scatter plot I used. That's what previous sessions are important. I just applied scatter plot. What I applied actually? Scatter plot. Then I can say one thing. The total data is more plotted here actually. From, can I say, from this direction to here, more data is available. What is available? More data is available. Yeah, best example. Right. Good. Now, what we can do, if there is more data, try to draw a line, sir. Try to draw what exactly? That line is called as a simple linear regression. That line is called as what exactly? Generally speaking, this line in math, it is called as a best fitted line. This line in math, it is called as what exactly? Best fitted line. In machine learning point of view, this is called as a simple linear regression. What is the topic? Yeah. This is the theory. Hold on, I will show you how to draw this role. You no need to be worried about this equation, this iteration. Iteration or irritation, sir? Yeah, good. M value, B value. Hold on, I will tell you. Now we are entering into the discussion. Yeah, simple. Linear regression. This is the technique. It explains the relation between what exactly? Dependent variable and independent variable. We already have seen. Regression, linear. Yeah, the line itself is talking. First 4 letters, read everyone. Line. So regression having backend line. Regression having backend what exactly? Line. That is called as a linear regression. What is that one, sir? Linear regression. Good. Now let me tell you. Linear regression in machine learning. Would have a different types of linear regression, sir? There are mainly 2 as of now, and would have other 3-4 also. I can cover later actually. The first one is called as a simple linear regression. First one is called as what exactly? Read everyone. Why less sound actually? Come on. Simple linear regression. Second one is called as a, do you think difficult actually? Difficult linear regression? No. It is multi-linear regression. Multiple linear regression. What is that one, sir? Yeah, multiple linear regression. Very simple. I will tell you later. What do you mean by simple linear regression? What do you mean by, a simple man? When I say simple linear regression, here are 2 variables, man. How many variables actually? When I say multiple linear regression, tell me. More than 2. That's what. More than what exactly? two variables. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. We'll see step by step. Guys, are you getting? Good. Now we have to think logically. When I say simple linear regression, keep in mind that, sir, one one dependent variable. What is that one? One dependent variable. Next one is what exactly? Yeah, one independent variable. One what exactly, sir? Independent variable. Independent variable. We'll take very nice example. Don't worry. I need just your attention. I will revise the whole session one more time. Observe here, there are two types of simple linear. There are two types of linear regression. Simple linear regression. Second one is difficult linear regression, right? Multiple. Good. So simple linear regression means when you have only one dependent variable and one independent variable, either vice versa, one dependent or one independent, anything you can say. Multiple linear regression means there are more than two. There are more than what exactly? Two variables. Either it is a how many dependent, how many dependent, how many independent, we'll see later. Now I'm entering into simple linear regression, sir. I'm entering into what exactly? Simple linear regression. Till now, did you understand? It's a very simple. Till now, what you need to understand, I hope you are going to get a data frame. We are going to get what exactly? Data frame. Data frame having two columns. Data frame having what exactly? Two columns. That two columns are related each other. That relation is called as a regression. That relation is called as what exactly? In machine learning point of view, that relation, if two variables are related each other, then we can draw a circle. Do you think circle? What we need to draw? Line. How to draw a line? I will show you practically. Okay, good. Sir, let me tell you, in a machine learning, you should not understand the directly algorithm first actually. First understand the problem statement. First, what we need to understand? Problem statement. I will tell you what do I mean by problem statement. Let us take a problem statement. Assuming that we are planning to buy a new house and need to predict the price of house actually. I'm sure everyone will get a job. Assuming that on an average monthly minimum 1 lakh salary, sir. Then you can please satisfy actually. You should get minimum 1 lakh actually. After 1 year or 2 year, your salary will be increased. Then you will get a marriage actually. Sir, before marriage, before job or first job or first marriage actually? Tell me. Assuming first job, next one is what exactly? Marriage. Then automatically you can get a wife. I need to get a buy house actually. Am I right or not, sir? Now talk with me. Buying a house depending upon 1 BHK house is the different, 2 BHK house cost is the different. Am I right or not? Good. Assuming that we are planning to buy a new house and need to predict what exactly? Price of house. We'll see. While buying the house, first we need to check area of the house. First we need to check what exactly? Area of the house. Just try to say, this is the area. 2600 square foot. I'm sorry. Yeah, 2600 or 2600 square foot. What is the price, sir? 5 lakhs 50,000. Tell me. 5 lakhs 50,000. Next one is what exactly? 3,000 and 5 lakhs 65. Can I say area is increased? Price also? Tell me, sir. Increased actually. Good. Next one is what exactly? Area increased. Automatically what happened? Price increased. What ratio increased you can ignore as of now. First of all, either it is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupees or 10 rupees increased or not, that you need to focus actually. Good. And the 3200 increased actually. 3600, tell me. Increased actually. Next one is 4000. What exactly? Increased. This is the all increasing scenario. Any one of you may ask a question. Array Daniel, in this scenario, not increased, only decreased. I will cover that scenario also. First of all, let us just try to understand. Can I say this is independent variable? Talk with me, sir. Can I say this what exactly? Dependent variable. Yeah. I would like to say there are two variables. That too, if area is increasing, price also what happening? Increasing. Then we can apply regression. We can apply what exactly? Regression actually. I will show you how to apply. Let me talk with online team. Today onwards, kindly remind me. I need to upload data sets also. There is a data I'm going to take. Don't worry. Take this data. Yeah. What exactly happens, sir? Can I say in terms of the pandas perspective, in terms of the pandas perspective. Talk with me. Column number 1, column number 2. Very good. But in ML perspective, what is this one? Feature 1. What is this one, sir? Feature 1. This is what exactly? Feature 2. Instead of feature 2, you can also call as what exactly? Target 1. You can also call as what exactly? Target 1. Ensure that, right? Now we are trying to applying simple linear regression algorithm. What algorithm? Algorithm. Are you ready? Yeah, it's a very simple. We'll see. Step by step, I will explain. ML terminology, I hope you already know. That ML terminology also you need to remind actually. And please observe here. Machine learning terminology. Feature. From the given problem statement, the feature is a area and what exactly? Price. And label or target. I already told actually. Target you can also call as what exactly? Label. Price of the house. What is that one, sir? I need a response. Are you getting? What is the today topic? Yeah, good. You remember, right? Please, today really have to show attention. Why? Because next to 10 algorithms depends upon today algorithm only. If you understand today algorithm, tomorrow if you didn't listen also, I will not ask actually. Please trust me, right? Why? Because you will understand automatically. You can, yeah. Next one is a model. What is the next one? Model. Machine learning model is simply a rule, man. A rule, math formula, so which predicts label from the what exactly? Feature. We already have seen model means. In this case, the model is the equation we found from what exactly? Price. We'll see. Even you can ignore this discussion. The prediction is simply the output of the model. Yeah, you can ignore the discussion. Formula. This formula you need to remember, sir. This formula you need to remember. What is the formula? House price equals to M into area plus B. Read everyone. Home price equals to M into area plus B. What is a M? What is a B? I can cover. M is called as a slope. B is called as a intercept. B is called as what exactly? Don't worry. Don't worry. Daniel, is it important? This is important, sir. When I say simple linear regression, this is the formula. What is the formula? Did you remember there is a formula y equals to mx plus c? Am I right? Still you can remember this one. Right, good. Yeah, talk with me, sir. Good. Home price equals to M into area. What is that one? M into area plus B. It is okay. You guys need to remember that formula. Yeah. A small reminder. What is the reminder? Once please walk through our math regression chapter, which we already explained. Last word you have to read, everyone. Thanks. I hope you know, right? Yeah, yeah. Please, you need to walk through. Sir, you can ignore this one. You can ignore this one. Now we are starting, sir. Are you ready? Till now, I just given a kind of some small theory. I hope you understand that theory. And now here onwards, you will understand actually. Come on, talk with me. What is the step number 1? Importing pandas as a PD. Today onwards, I will maintain kind of, hold on. Today onwards, I will maintain one template actually. You guys need to follow the template, everyone. Please, requesting. Print. First purpose I will maintain. What I'm planning, sir? Purpose. The purpose will be learning simple linear regression. Learning what exactly? Simple linear regression. And let us maintain some distance. Good. Talk with me, sir. Step number 1. First one, step number 1. Step number 1. Talk with me. Importing required, like importing libraries. Importing what exactly? Libraries. Please, you guys need to maintain this fundamental. Let me save this example. Demo1.py. Demo1.py. Can I run this example? Let me run, sir. All right. Just try to see. Yeah. Learning simple linear regression. What is the step number 1? Importing the libraries. But we didn't import it actually. Do you think I didn't cover this one actually? We already covered. What is the step actually? Importing. Import pandas as a. Even though in machine learning, first topic what you need to understand, Python. Second one is the pandas. If you don't know Python, what is import, you cannot understand. If you don't know pandas, what is a PD, you cannot understand actually, right? Yeah, let us just try to, run this one. Good. Importing the library is done successfully. Yeah, importing libraries is getting done. Very good. Let me execute one more time. Very good, sir. Next one, loading the data set. What is the next step actually? Can I maintain the steps here, sir? Come on, please talk with me. Can I maintain the steps? Tell me. Loading the data set. Loading what exactly? Data set. Good. Get ready. df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. And what is the file name? Home prices. Good. If I'm running this example, what is output? File not found error. Very good. Let me just try to print this. Yep. Yes, the error is what exactly? File not found. Simple. Whenever you are loading the file, if the file is not available, then you will get a error. That error name is a file not found error. What is that error? Today I need to upload the data set. You guys need to remind me. Come here, home price in current directory, where your program is available, there you need to copy paste, sir. Your program and data set both should be in one location. Your program and data set both should be what exactly? One location. Daily online count, how much actually? Today, if anyone missed session, gone case, sir. Let me help you. Saturday session and today session, I will help you with recording. Why? Because if anyone missed out today, too difficult for them. Yeah. Very good, man. First one is importing library. Second one is what exactly? Loading the data set. Can somebody talk with me? What is this? Tell me, sir. Very good. Data frame. If it is a data frame, don't attack directly machine learning actually. Let us play with the data frame sometime actually. I just want all rows and columns, sir. Shape. Very good. Yeah, very good. Next one is I need column names. Like this, you need to play actually, so that you will get some hands-on experience. Now, I hope, let me do one thing. Let us take this one. In running nodes, let us just try to maintain. Please. Now get ready, sir. Successfully we loaded and we are just trying to accessing head. Head means, do you think it is attribute actually? Nice, nice, very good, man. Move on to the next one. Yeah, what exactly we are doing, hold on. Just try to see the diagram. See what exactly diagram. uh, we do have a data something like this. Now area is increasing, price also increasing. Area is increasing, what exactly? Price also if you walk through our data visualization topic, then you need to immediately remember one topic. The topic name is called as a scatter plot. What is the topic name? Scatter plot actually. You can sense, you can get a vibe like, let me apply scatter plot. Let me apply what exactly? Scatter plot actually. Good. Now what exactly I'm doing? On x-axis, I'm taking, sir, we have to talk. On x-axis, what I'm taking? Area. Y-axis? Price. X-axis started from 2600, 2800, 3000, blah, blah, blah. These are all 5 lakhs 50, 5 lakhs 75, 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs 25. These are all actually. Are you ready? Good. It's a very simple. You guys need to import the library. What is that library name? Matplotlib.pyplot. Matplotlib dot what exactly? Pyplot. Come on, come on. Let us just try to work on this. Now, next step is what exactly? Hold on. I would like to say step number 2A, data visualization. Can I say that one actually? Data what exactly? Visualization. It's okay. Cool. Now just try to come here. Sir, I hope you already know plt.x label, plt.y label, scatter. Can I ask a question? Scatter, functional method. One more time. Last time. How can you say? You are calling by using this one. Functional method. Function actually. Good. Now let us just try to apply this. Show, functional apply. Functional method. Come on, come on. We should get a data visualization. Very easy, sir. Very easy actually. We got a diagram. Now you need to understand. If x-axis value is automatically increasing, y-axis value also what exactly happens, sir? That you can recognize by using visualization. By using what exactly? How two variables are related each other? Can I recognize? You can recognize in two ways. One is by using visualization. Second one by using correlation. Second one by using what exactly? Correlation, actually. Something like a R value. What value? I can cover that one. Don't worry. Take this example. Now I can give a conclusion. Yeah, what is a conclusion? Conclusion. You have to talk with the client like this. As per the diagram, as per what exactly? Diagram. There is a relation. There is a what exactly? Relation between what exactly, sir? Area and what exactly? Price. Area and price variables. Good. That conclusion you need to talk actually. Now let's move on with the discussion. Sir, get ready. Now let me tell you the fundamental actually. Now first machine learning example I'm going to tell you. First machine learning example I'm going to tell. Sir, it's a very simple. Let me tell you. First one, importing the class. Importing what exactly? Class actually. Second one, talk with me. Creating object to class. Creating object to what exactly? Class. Third one will be access or call. Am I right? Which word I can use? Access what exactly? Method by using what exactly? Object. Very good. Keep in mind that this is important actually. But in between, I wanted to hear from you. Get ready. Tell me ML steps. First one is importing libraries. Second one is loading the data set. Third one is data preparation. It is okay. Fourth one is splitting the data set. Splitting the data set. Next one is model creation. Sixth one, model training. Seventh one, prediction. Hold on. Good. Sir, you know what? Uh, Please, I need your attention. This is done as per today example. As per today example, actually, few steps are optional. We can still make it few steps are optional actually. This we already done. Am I right? Tell me. What are libraries we imported actually? Pandas. Next one is matplotlib. It is okay. Next one is, are we done this? Done. Sir, data preparation means input value and output value. What value? Input value and output value also representing with x comma y. Also representing with what exactly? X comma y. I'm going to help you this one. We do have a data frame. From that data frame, get separately area, get separately price. Area is called as a input. Price is called as what exactly? Talk with me, sir. Are you getting? Yeah, good. Now what I mean to say, we do have a data frame equals to data frame having what exactly? Area and price. Area and what exactly? Price. Yeah, good. Let us just try to area and next what exactly? Price. Good. Now area you can also call as input. You can also call as what exactly? X. Price you can also call as a output. You can also call as y actually. When I say data preparation, before data preparation we do have a data frame. From that data frame, separate input value and separate output value. Why we need to separate? This input and output is required for the ML algorithm. Is required for what exactly, sir? Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, good. Talk with me. What is the step number? First one is importing the libraries. Everyone, sir. First one is importing the library. Second one, loading the data set. Third one, hold on. Data preparation means input output. Data preparation means X, Y. That's it. Did you understand? Yeah, good. Now, as part of today's session, I'm making this one is an optional, sir. I'm making this one is what exactly? Optional. I mean to say that it is not a mandatory for the today's session. It is not a mandatory. Tomorrow I can cover this step. What is the step actually? Talk with me. What is the step actually? Splitting the data set. Next one is what exactly? Model creation. Next one, model training. Next one, prediction. Are you clear till now? Good. Let us continue. Now please focus. Get ready. Data visualization as of now you can ignore, and importing library, these two first two steps, let me help you. Good. Importing the libraries. Next one is what exactly? Loading the data set. Third step is what exactly, sir? Data preparation. Third step is what exactly? Data preparation. I will help you. What do you mean by data preparation? Data preparation. Let us hold this one sometime. Let us hold this one. Hold this one. Yeah. Let us run this example. Come on. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. Hold this one. Now, can somebody talk with me? What is step number 4? Splitting the data set. Can I say today that is an optional actually? Splitting. Today my target will be you need to understand what is algorithm. That's what I'm making optional. Other steps actually. Still the example is valid. Are you getting? Yeah, good. Our main motto will be splitting the data set. Now I would like to make it today optional. It is an optional, but in real time that is a mandatory. Sir, slowly by slowly I will give injection, sir. Why actually? Why you are hurrying? You have to read everyone. Tell me. Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set. What is this one? Sir, what is the fifth step actually? Get ready. Step number 5 is what exactly? Now I'm doing that one. Get ready. This is not an optional. It's a mandatory. It is what exactly, sir? Mandatory. Good. Model creation. Sir, when I say model creation, simple. When I say model, simple linear regression means it's a class. It's what exactly? Class actually. Now let me tell you a small story. What is the story, you know? The creator of ML algorithms, ML what exactly? Algorithms. What he done, you know? He created a one package. He created what exactly? One package in Python. Then inside this package, he created a all classes. He created what exactly? All classes. These all classes representing with what exactly? No, ML algorithms. ML what exactly? If you wanted to talk with the algorithm, import the package, import the class. That's it. Did you understand the pattern? I mean to say that generally, if you are coming from BTech background, MTech actually, MCA, algorithm is 300 lines of the code, sir. Am I right or not? Trust me. Am I right? Yeah. But in machine learning, it's not like a 50 line, 100 line, 200 line actually. Already algorithm is available. What you need to understand is import the package. First step is import the package. Second one, import the class. I mean, by using package, you can import the class. Then immediately, I hope you know, once you are importing the class, what is the step number 2? Creating an object. Next one, calling the method, accessing the method. Are you getting your one? I will show you. Yeah, good. Get ready. Same example I will explain 2 times, sir. I need just your attention actually. Yeah, this one let us memorize. Read 3 times actually. From this one, import pandas as a PD. Do I need to read 3 times actually? Not required. This one, say yes. Tell me, sir. Yes. From tell me from sklearn dot linear underscore model import linear regression. So talk with me. Is it class or function? How can you say? Exactly. Your Python fundamentals literally helps you to understand even machine learning. Not only machine learning, sir. Deep learning, AI topics, even any prompt engineer, wherever Python code is available, you can easily to understand. If you are strong in Python, actually. Simple. What we done, you know, from the so-and-so package, we are just simply importing what exactly? Class name we are importing. After importing the class, hold on. Now I would like to say model creation. What do you mean by model creation? You know, model equals to linear regression. Model equals to what exactly? Can somebody talk with me? What this line talks about? What exactly? Object creation. Simple. Am I right or not? Good. Previously, D equals to Daniel. D equals to what exactly? Daniel. And I explained this one. S equals to student. S equals to what exactly? Student. In Python, whoever understand this step, there is no problem to understand this step actually. In Python programming language, in front of you, I have created a Daniel class. I have created a student class. Then I have created a method. Now these are all user defined actually. But today we are just trying to creating object to predefined class. We are trying to creating object to whom actually? Predefined class. And this predefined class is available inside an sklearn package. What package actually? Successfully we done actually. What is the step actually? Model creation. Means we imported algorithm. We imported algorithm. Now get ready. Yeah, model creation successfully. Algorithms are algorithm actually. Assuming that what exactly? Daniel, go back to my father example, my father training actually. What my father done, So Daniel, my father wanted to give a training. Come on, tell me. My father wanted to give a training to recognize cat and dog. To recognize what exactly? Cat. Before we are imported we created a, I'm sorry, coming to the discussion, model creation is done, sir. What is done actually? Model creation is done. After Daniel is available, then what is the next step actually? Tell me. Can I say training? What is the next step? Am I right or not? Good. Now for this model means Daniel actually, for this model what is required? Training is required, sir. What is required actually? How to train? I will tell you. Step number 6, get ready. It is not an optional. Model training. It is what exactly? Model training. Sir, by using model, you need to call one thing. Now let me ask you a question. What is this one? Can somebody talk? One more time. Last time. Why everyone is not talking? Sir, tell me. This is object. This is what exactly? Object. Once you created algorithm, now you need to train the algorithm. What we need to do? To train the algorithm, you just need to call a method. That method name is a fit. That method name is what exactly? Fit actually. Then for this fit method, you need to provide input and output actually. You need to provide what exactly? Input and output. Am I right or not? Good. Hold on. I would like to take these are all steps actually for your better understanding. Good. I would like to take input and output. This line still I would like to say. Talk with me. Input means very good. Output means very nice, sir. Output means why? Good. Model dot fit method of model dot what exactly? Fit method of. Can somebody talk with me? What is this one? Area. What is this one? Next one, area. Next one is a price actually. Now I have a question for you. From where area we can capture? Data frame. From where price we can capture? Did you understand? Even though for machine learning, data frame is the input, sir. Data frame is what exactly? Input actually. Did you understand these steps? Now I am asking a question. Good, good. Simply, we created a machine learning algorithm. Creating a machine learning algorithm in a simple way, I would like to say, creating a object to the one class. Creating object to whom actually? Class. What is the class name? Your task is done. 50% your task is done. If you understand this line actually. After model creation, sir, total 10 plus algorithm, same process it will follow. For one algorithm, this is the class. Second algorithm, another class. Third algorithm, another class. That's it. The mode is very simple actually. Once the model is created, then we need to train. We need to train the algorithm. We need to train the model. To train the model, we need to call a method. Method name is called as a fit. What is the method name? On an average, we are going to learn 10 plus algorithm. For all algorithm, method name is the same. What is the method name actually? Fit. Second algorithm also fit method. Third algorithm also fit method. For all, I mean, why I'm making you to repeating, understand these steps. It will be repeated again actually. Can I get a response? Are you with me? Good, hold on. Model dot fit method. Can somebody talk with me? Input we need to provide. Next one is what exactly? Output we need to provide. Am I right? Good. Hold on. One small point you need to understand. Let me talk with the online team. Let me talk with online team. Are you clear till now, sir? Can somebody please respond? Minimum I needed 10 responses. Sriram sir, we are going to cover not end to end actually. What is required that I can cover being a data scientist. Yeah, thank you. All right, let me move on, please. By considering your reply, I'm moving on actually. But anyway, I will explain this example 2 to 3 times, sir. Yeah, loading the data set. These are all things we done actually. Please focus. This is seriously interesting. Now, yeah, good. Let me just try to hold on. Sir, I need a response from you. Step number 1. Talk with me. What is the step number 1? Purpose. Learning what exactly? Simple. Learning simple linear regression. Linear what exactly? Regression. Come on, come on. Now let us just try to maintain some space. Second step is what exactly? Step number 1. I would like to say step number 1. Step number 1. Importing the libraries. Am I right? Importing what exactly? Library. Tell me, what is the first library? Import pandas as PD. Import what exactly? Pandas as PD. It's okay. Good. Now step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2. Loading the data set. What is the step number 2? Loading the data set. Loading the data. Yeah. Hold on, sir. Loading the data set. Loading the data set. Df equals to pd dot read underscore what exactly? CSV. Talk with me. What is the class? What is the file name? Home prices. What is the file name? Home prices. Good, good. Now let me print the data frame. Let me print what exactly? Data frame. I'm sure these steps you're all pretty clear actually. If anyone having any doubts, now itself only you need to get it clarified. Till now, are you clear? Good, sir. Talk with me. What is the third step actually? What is the third step? Data preparation. Hold on. Data preparation. And it's okay. Let us just try to maintain this one. And from here, you need to understand. Step number 3, data preparation. Step number 3 is what exactly? Data preparation. When I say data preparation, can I say input comma what exactly? Output. Can I say input means X and can I say output means what exactly? Y. Am I right or not, sir? Good, get ready. Now, this input and output, from where we need to get actually from this data frame. Am I right? Good. Do one thing. Sir, let me just try to print this one. You tell me what is input and what is output, sir. Come on, everyone should talk actually. From this, what is input and what is output? Very nice. I hope you understand. According to the today discussion, not only today discussion actually, I would like to say input. This what exactly? Output. This what exactly? X. This what exactly? Yeah, good. Hold on. Now what we need to do, model dot fit method we need to call. For this fit method, X comma Y we need to provide. What we need to provide? When I say X comma Y, can I say, so model dot what exactly? Fit of, talk with me. What do you mean by X? Tell me, sir. Area. Next one is price actually. Are you clear? Good, hold on. Sir, now let me separate area and price from the data frame. Let me separate area and what exactly? Price from data frame actually. Good. That's what I'm doing. Now exactly from here, please observe this one actually. From this data frame, what exactly we are doing actually? We are dropping price. We are dropping what exactly? Once you drop the price, then automatically new data frame it will be created actually. That data frame can contain what it can contain. Talk with me. Area. What it contain? What exactly? Area. Can I say this is my favorite syntax? Keyword argument. Hey, very simple, man. Once we created a data frame, for that data frame, let us separate target. Let us separate, target and feature. Input and output actually. Input and what exactly? Output. Hold on. Let me run this example. Please. Now let me just try to print. What exactly, sir? Df dot new underscore df. New underscore what exactly? Df actually. Come on, come on. Very simple. Very simple. This is the original data frame. From this data frame, I have created one more variable. What is that variable name, sir? New underscore df. Inside new underscore df, what is available actually? Area is available. What is available? Are you ready? Good. Move on to the next step. Now we are creating an object. We are creating what exactly? Object actually. Now get ready. Sir, the flow, get ready. The flow. What is the flow? It's a right time. I need to tell one point actually. What is the point? Sir, first of all, in real time, we'll get a data. We'll get what exactly? Data actually. Talk with me. We'll get a next one, data frame. Next one, what exactly? Data frame. Next one, what exactly? Array. Next one, what exactly? Array. Good. Next one, ML algorithm. See, the flow seriously interesting flow. The flow is seriously interesting. Now good. Data. Next one is a data frame. From this data frame, who is to get a array actually. From this array, what is the next one? ML algorithm. Good. Now ensure that this area having input and what exactly? Output. Am I right? Sir, listen carefully. Input means no doubt at all. This is column format. What format actually? Output means no row format. Output means what exactly? Row format. I'm repeating again. What we need to do, generally for ML algorithm, fit method will accept input as a column format. Input as what format actually? Column format. Output as what exactly? Row form. This is the fundamental. This is what exactly, sir? Fundamental actually. Come on, let me show you one more time. We need to convert only that step. Once if you understand that step, then we can close the discussion, sir. Come on. Model equals to linear regression object we created actually. This step is called as a model creation. This step is called as what exactly? Are you clear till now? Good. Next one is model dot. What method we need to call, sir? Fit method we need to call. What method? Yeah, good. I would like to say area. And this is what exactly? Price. Next step is model dot fit of x comma y. Can I say that one? Yeah, very good. Next one more point, last point actually. Fit of, talk with me. Can I say input and can I say what exactly? Sir, now think logically. Whenever you are providing input actually, ensure that please provide column format only. What format, sir? Format only. Why only? I can tell later. According to that syntax, fit method take input as a column format only. Input as what exactly? Column format only. Good. Next one is what exactly? Output. Very good. Yeah. Please provide one. Sorry. Daniel, why? Sir, please. I can cover later. Row format only. Row format what exactly? Many guys who already trained actually, they will get a lot of confusion. Ari boss, why? There is a reason, sir. I can tell you later. Whenever you are calling fit method, whenever you are calling what exactly fit method, it takes two parameters, sir. How many parameters actually? Two parameters. First parameter input. First parameter, talk with me. First parameter. Second parameter, input should be what format? Output should be, one more time. Input should be, output should be. Now you are you are on the track actually. Did you understand? Good. Now you will understand clearly what exactly I'm doing. Sir, look at this output actually. Look at this output. By looking at this output, what we can think actually, single column array. Can I say that one? Single column, what exactly? Array. What is this value? Any idea? Area. Sir, can I say that is area? Yeah, very good. What is this one? Yeah, price. Can I say single row array actually? Sir, you talk with me. What is this one? Single row array. That is a single column array. One more time. Single column array, single column row. Yeah, single row actually. I mean, I'm in the flow, right? That's what I actually. Yeah, good. Move on to the next discussion, sir. Now, what you need to understand, new underscore df is a single column data frame. New underscore df is what exactly? Single column data frame. Am I right? Good. Come on. Now, please observe here. We are already having what exactly? Data frame. Just to process, you need to understand, sir. Yeah, this is single column data frame. What column data frame? Over that single column data frame, just you need to call dot values, sir. What we need to call actually? Dot values. Then what happened, sir? Yeah, automatically that to single column array it will converting. What it is converting actually? Means input is ready. What is ready actually? Input is ready. I'm showing one more time. Come on. What exactly I'm doing, First of all, inside df underscore df, I mean new underscore df actually, we do have a single column area. What we do have actually? Single column. I mean to say, can I say data frame? Inside data frame, single column. What is available actually? Yeah, single column we do have actually. Generally, ML algorithm takes always array format, sir. What format actually? We need to convert this one into array. We need to convert this one into what exactly? Array. To convert that one, nothing is there. Just try to come here. Yeah, dot values we need to do. What we need to do? Dot values we need to do. Input is ready. What is ready? Input is ready. Then what is the pending? Any idea? Output. Output should be what format? Output should be what format? Yeah, good. Take this one slowly by slowly. In another 5 minutes, you will understand, sir. I'm going to show you. Move on to the next step. You need to understand why I had written this step actually. Good. Now, get ready. I'm going to get the output actually. From the data frame, I'm going to get a price. I'm going to get what exactly? Price actually. Hold on. From the data frame, if you are getting a price, what we will get? Any idea? What will get actually? Series. What will get actually? Series. Over that series, we are applying dot values. Over that series, we are applying what exactly? Dot value. Then we will get a row. We will get what exactly, sir? Row actually. Come on. More than algorithm, you need to work with the data format. This is called as a data preparation. This is called as what exactly? Yeah, algorithm is simple, frankly speaking, just a 30%. But 1 to 70% is the data preparation. 1 to 70% is what exactly? Very simple, sir. You just need to work out simple. Just like, hey, nothing is there. Don't ask what is values actually. I will jump. Seriously, I will jump actually. I'm not joking, right? Yeah. Print of df dot. First of all, let us just try to access price, sir. Let us just try to access what exactly? Price actually. Please observe here. The very first step is importing the libraries, loading the data set. Now we loaded the data set. From this data frame, we separated this price actually. Did you remember? We called a method name is called as a drop. Then automatically single column data frame we got it. What we got it actually? Single column. That single column data frame, if you wanted to convert into single column array, you need to call a values attribute. What attribute? Values attribute. Then yes, input is ready. What is ready? Now you need to prepare the output. Input should be single column format. Input should be what exactly? Single column array. One more time, single column array. Output should be single row, sir. Output should be what exactly? Single row, right? Over this series, if you are calling values, if you're calling what exactly? Values, then please observe here, sir. Man, if you understand these two steps, in next 2 minutes I can close this discussion actually. Did you understand this one? I will repeat one more time, not immediately. Now get ready. Come here. What you guys need to do, step number 3, data preparation. What is the step number 3 actually? Data preparation. Now here, x equals to, what is x, sir? Can somebody talk with me? This is the x. Very good. What is the y actually? Df dot price dot values. Am I right or not? Good. Get ready. Now step number 4. Step number 4. Splitting the data set. What is the next one? Splitting the data set. I'm making today it is an optional, sir. You can ignore this one. I'm making this one is today is an optional. All right, we are almost very near, man. Next step. Step number 5. Can I run till now? Can I run till now? Are you with me? Yeah, just ready. So get ready. Let us maintain some gap here. Yeah, please. Read everyone. Step number 1, importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data. When I say data preparation, x value, y value. X means input, y means output. Input should be column format, output should be row format. That's it. No more further discussion actually. Model equals to linear regression. Can I ask a question? If I run this step, what is output actually? Any idea? Very good. What error? Very good, sir. Guys, other guys, please. You also, I expected some response from you actually. Regression. Generally, I didn't imported this one. Then if you're not importing, you will get an error. That error name is called as a Name error. What is that error? Name error actually. Just try to say name error. Now go back. Let us just try to import this. Yeah, almost we are all, we done almost 90% example we done, sir. Now I need your help actually. What is the step number 6 is what exactly? Model training. Model what exactly? Training. This training means my father started giving a training to recognize cat and dog. To recognize what exactly? How to train, to train model, simple we just need to call model dot fit method. What method? Here it takes two parameters, sir. How many parameters? First parameter, input. Second parameter, yeah. Can somebody tell me first parameter? What is the value? X value. What is the value? X value. Second parameter, what is the value? That's it, sir. That's it actually. Really very good. Now here, whenever you are running your example, it takes some time. Why? Because backend model is being getting training with the data. Just try to say, the model training is done automatically, very fastly. Now what exactly happened? Backend, this model trained with farmer data set. Trained with what data set actually? Farmer data set actually. Now by using this object, you can do the prediction. You can do what exactly, sir? Prediction actually. Are you guys clear, everyone? Can I get a response? Are you clear? Good. Hold on. Conclusion. Here, model object means linear regression object trained with the home prices data. Home what exactly, sir? Home prices data set. Data set actually. Now we can use this object to do the prediction. To do what exactly? Prediction. I'm sorry, this is the not farmer data set actually. What data set? Real estate data set. What data set actually? Real estate data set. Guys, are you getting? Good. Hold on. I will show you that step also. All these steps one by one. We'll do one more time, sir. Come on. Yeah. Go back and get the data set. Seems to be already copied, I guess, somewhere. Can I capture from that? I copied already. Where is the data set? Yeah. This is the data set. Okay, good. Sir, please look at my screen, everyone. Good. Sir, what we done, model. Now model equals to model. Now this model is simple linear regression algorithm. Now this model knows very well about, okay, if it is the price, if it is the area, this is the price. If it is the area, this is the price. This model knows very well. This model knows what exactly? Very well actually. Just for your kind information, let me ask a question. Do let me know one point, sir. In between 2600 and 3000, what is the value? Can I say 2800 actually? Can I say actually? Yeah, good. For this 2800 value, let us do the prediction. Are you getting what I'm saying? I mean to say that we trained the model. What we trained actually? Model, simple linear regression. Now let us use the model object to do the prediction. To do what exactly? Prediction. If I say prediction, 2600 is already available, 3000 is already available. Which value we don't have actually? 2800 value we don't have. Let us do the prediction for that one. Then guess the output, sir. Output should be, talk with me. It should be, can I say, greater than this one, and it should be, can I say, less than this one. Can I say it should be in between here actually? Am I right or not, sir? Now, how your brain is working, same thing like that, this model also will do the prediction. The value what we are going to get, it should be in between 5,50,000 to what exactly? 5,65,000. Do you want to see? Are you ready? Yeah, come on. I'm repeating again. To do the prediction, what we need to do, Simple, sir. There is one method. Method name is a very good. That method we need to call. Print of. I will tell you predict method. What method? Predict method. Get ready. Which value wanted to predict? 2800 value actually. This we need to provide within the array. Within what exactly? Array. I will tell you later why array. Come on, I'm repeating again. Yes, what you are hearing is a valid actually. To do the prediction, you need to call a method. Method name is called as a predict. What is the method name, sir? Yeah, you can call actually. Yes, parenthesis. Here in between, this is called as the array representation. What representation? Array representation. You need to provide the value. You need to provide what exactly? Value. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on, let me run this example. Sir, it is done prediction. Almost somewhat near prediction actually. Wow. What is the, what can somebody talk with me? What is the price actually? 5 lakh 60. Can I say this value is in between this value and this value actually? Means our model is working. It is thinking like a human actually. It is thinking like what exactly? Human. Now here, this model works like the data, 2600 3000 you already having actually. What value you don't have, that value can provide. Now it can tell, hello boss, 2800 square foot, price is what exactly? 5 lakh 60,000. 5 lakhs what exactly, sir? 60,000. Did you understand? Good. Let me recap the whole example one more time. Till here, what I covered is very, very important, sir. The whole example I would like to repeat one more time. If anyone didn't understand, it's the right time. You need to understand, sir. Every step I will explain. Here I just wanted to delete these roll steps actually. What roll steps, Let me delete these roll steps. Let me delete these roll steps. Sir, I wanted to hear from you. First one is a importing library. Next one, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training, model prediction. What you need to do, you need to take this template once you really done nice preparation and take here. Now here you need to write a code actually. Importing libraries. What are the libraries you imported actually? Here you need to write a code. Yeah, importing pandas. And next one is loading the data set. What is the code actually? That code you need to write here. And data preparation. What is the code you had written? That code you need to write. Really very good one. The template you need to follow. There is a good suggestion I can give, up to you. But that is the best practice actually. Now I need your help, sir. Today, what exactly I'm going to do, assuming that there is a real estate person. What person actually? Real estate person. Initially, he is having small data set. He is having what exactly? Small data set means on an average, 6 houses. What exactly? 6 houses plus prices. It is he is having actually 6 houses plus 6 price house actually he is having. Sir, do you think only in his career time only 6 house prices it is available? No, daily by daily what exactly happen? Houses will be increased. Though he is a real estate person, he need to reach the land, he need to reach the person, then automatically suddenly 6,000 houses. How many houses actually? 6,000 houses. And along with this one, prices also he is having. If it is a 6 houses, 6 prices, he can analyze. But talk with me, how many houses, sir? Do you think that is easy? Too difficult. Then real estate person, he is reached to data scientist. Real estate, I'm sorry, don't consider spelling mistake, sir. Real estate person, he reached what exactly? Data scientist. Now he explained his problem. What is the problem? Boss, I have a data. Total 6,000 houses actually. What is the data? 6,000 houses. Now houses I do have, prices also. If I say houses actually, now houses means inside that houses area would you have, price would you have, what would you have? Then in his hand data is available. Now what this real estate person is asking, suddenly one person came. That person is asking, hey, I'm planning for 2800 square foot area. What is the price? That guy is asking. Though that data is a very big data, I cannot do prediction quickly. Now one more person came. one more person came and he is suddenly asking 3200 square foot actually. Then what is the price? Then when he is explaining the problem statement, data scientist understand very clearly. Sir, I can help you. I can create one prediction model. What model? Prediction model. Then you need to start the discussion. The problem statement will be like this actually. Somebody will come with the problem statement. Definitely he should have a data. He should have what exactly? Data actually. Guys, are you clear? Good. Hold on. Now step by step, let us just try to do. I will help you. Tomorrow also I will repeat the example. I will stop the session till now and I will give a small recap actually. If you understand the today example, please, before you are coming for tomorrow session, this example minimum 5 to 6 times you need to do. How many times? 5 to 6 times actually. And if you understand today example, from this material 90% is done, sir. How much percent is done? 90% actually. And remaining 10% I can cover. Regarding simple linear regression, each algorithm, three examples we are going to cover. How many examples? Three algorithms actually. Three examples. I'm sorry. Come on. Within 5 minutes. Are you ready? Can we do? These are all steps actually. I just need help from you. In front of you, I will write all these steps so that you will get a very clear picture. Sir, step number 1, importing the libraries. Step number 1 is what exactly? Importing the libraries. Good. Go for step number 2 immediately. Don't go for algorithm importing. Why? Because after data preparation only algorithm importing. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Right. Step number 2. Step. What exactly, sir? Loading the data set. Loading what exactly? Data set. Come on, talk with me. Df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. Sir, by this time you have to type somewhat speed actually. By this time, if you are typing like this, where d letter is available, please, you should not do like that actually, right? Yeah, you are well matured. Stop searching keys actually. Home underscore csv. Good. Data set is ready. Loading the data set also done. Loading the data set also done. Third step is data preparation. What is the third step? During data preparation, remember one thing. If I say data preparation, input and output. According to the data set, input is a area. Output is a price. Input should be, one more time, input should be column format. Output should be, sir, the statement what I'm telling, you cannot get from Google actual. You cannot get from YouTube also. Simply they will give. Why they are giving, you should not understand actually. Are you guys getting? Good. Get ready. Now we'll do one thing. Come here. Step number 3, data preparation. Step number 3 is what exactly? Data preparation. When I say data preparation, new underscore df, it's okay, equals to df dot drop. Df dot what exactly? Drop. What you wanted to drop? Let us drop price. Let us drop what exactly? Price. Access equals to, yeah, very good. One or column or columns? Column, yeah, columns. Very good. Columns. Yeah, get ready. Now what you need to do, if you want to get ready, X value you need to prepare, Y value you need to prepare. What value you need to prepare, sir? X value, Y value. Good. Now I will show you one thing. Print of, let me print new underscore df. New underscore what exactly? Df actually. Sir, whenever you are printing new underscore df, I would like to say input we are printing. What we are printing? Sir, but input format should be column format. What format? That to array. That to what exactly? Over this one, if you are calling dot value, if you are calling what exactly, then your input is ready. We are preparing the input actually. We are preparing. Then take one variable here. That variable should be x equals to, cut this one, paste actually, sir. Input is ready. What is ready actually? Input is ready. Then the next value is a output. Next value is what exactly? Output. Let us just try to print df. Hold on. There are many ways who can do actually. I'm printing data frame. I just wanted to access price. I wanted to access what exactly? Price. Dot price actually. You are getting a series. You are getting what exactly? Over this series, if you apply values, then you will get a row format. What format actually? Like that. Fatafat you need to understand actually. Okay. Now, why? Because we spend decent time. Done, man. Mostly 70% of the code like this only. Loading the data set, data preparation. Once you done this step, step number 4 is what exactly? Data splitting. Splitting the data set. Can I make it this one is an optional? Splitting the data set. Optional today. Now the next step is what exactly, sir? Model creation. What is the next step actually? Model creation. Now import the class. What we need to import actually? Import the class. Like step by step you need to walk through. Done, man. Model equals to, talk with me, linear regression. Yeah, model creation also done. Stop printing all. Yeah, I mean to say that I thought I'm printing x and y, actually not required, not required. Now the next step is what exactly? Step number 6 is what exactly, sir? Model training. What exactly? Model training. Model dot fit of takes 2 parameters, man. How many parameters actually? First parameter is input. Second parameter, input should be column format. Output should be row format. Done. Your task is done. Now prediction. It's a right term for what exactly? Prediction. To do the prediction, you just need to call a method. Method name is what exactly? Predict. That's it. So what you need to understand, here method works more, man, in data science. Whenever you are giving prediction, single value prediction we are doing as of now. What value prediction we are doing? Single value prediction. That's it, man. We done actually. Did you understand? Just 5 minutes I given a reason actually, but we spent almost 1 hour to understand. Did you understand, sir? Can I request you one thing? Tomorrow, before you are coming to the session, I'm copy pasting this example here. Prepare this example thoroughly, sir. Minimum 5 times actually. How many times? 5 times actually. 5 times. 5 times, please. If you understand, this example, tomorrow discussion onwards, you can feel very easy. Hey, man, you can move on, something like this. Are you ready, sir? Now let me ask. Did you understand? Now tell me, machine learning is difficult? Very easy, sir. Nothing is there. Just a matter of 3 lines. That too Python code actually. What code actually? Python. Create an object, call the respective methods. There are only 2 methods. First method name, fit. Second method name, fit method purpose is training. Predict method purpose is, that's it. That's it actually. For all algorithms, fit method name is the same. Predict method name is same actually. Algorithm name is a different. What is different actually? Class name is a different. Done, man. Today's session is done. If anyone is saying I'm unable to understand, then you have to minimum do 5 times practice actually. But I can give a guarantee, if 100 members are available, 90 members understand. I can give guarantee. Remaining 10 members you have to cross verify where you are actually. Are you in the class or also sleeping actually? Are you clear? Good. Let me upload this material. I need to upload data set also. Let me upload these running notes. No. I don't want to modify the material. Only the many day response, sir. Did you understand today's session? Srikant. Sir, Srikant, sir, do one thing. Execute minimum 5 to 6 times. You will understand. Oh, I need to change. 1 minute. I'm doing one project, sir. Sign out. Daniel. In another 2 minutes, I'm leaving the session. Seriously, maybe Saturday I texted you, ma'am. Let me connect you today. I'm sorry. Seems to be, I'm extremely sorry. I will connect with you. You guys are 5:30, right? Thank you for understanding. For 5:30 bed, I'm sorry, for 7 p.m. batch this week Python we are going to close. Pandas is going to start. Pandas is going to start. If anyone need revision, you can talk with admin, they can help you. But Pandas is very easy. If anyone need Pandas revision, that's what advantage actually. Or one by one batch we are going to start. That literally helps you. But let me tell you, if you don't know, then only you can join actually. If you already know Python, you can get a sleep actually. I mean, if you already know Pandas actually, you will get a sleeping. One night. We do have that step also. We do have that step also. Data splitting also we do have.